Hello, today we will guide you through how to use social media on HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and go to the home screen. This is your main starting point, and from here you can access the different tools available in your account. If you are already logged in, you should land on the dashboard or home area automatically. Take a moment to make sure the page is fully loaded so all menu options are visible and easy to use. Once you are on the home page, move your mouse over the marketing menu near the top of the screen. You do not need to click right away. Simply hovering over marketing will open the drop-down menu and reveal the tools connected to that section. This is where HubSpot groups features related to campaigns, content, and audience engagement. From the marketing dropdown, click on Social. This will take you into HubSpot's social media management area where you can connect accounts and manage activity across your platforms. If this is your first time opening the social tool, the page may look fairly simple at first, and that is completely normal. When the social page opens, click on Connect Accounts. This option is used to link your social media profiles to HubSpot so you can manage them from one place. Connecting accounts is an important setup step because it allows HubSpot to interact with your selected social platforms for publishing and management. Next, choose the social network you want to connect. You will see available platform options on the screen. Select the one that matches the account you want to use. Be sure you choose the correct platform before continuing, especially if you plan to manage multiple channels later. Taking a second here can help avoid confusion during setup. After selecting the network, continue by following the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary depending on the platform you selected, but HubSpot will guide you through the connection process. In most cases, this includes signing into your social account and approving the required permissions. Read each screen carefully so you understand what access is being requested and can complete the connection smoothly. If anything does not load right away, give the page a few seconds and try again. It also helps to have access to the social account you are connecting before you begin, since some platforms may require verification during setup. Once you finish the on-screen prompts, your account should be connected and ready to use inside HubSpot's social tool. That's it for the setup process, and you're now ready to start managing social media through HubSpot.